Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to import EPS file into your CorelDraw workspace. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply right-click on your CorelDraw workspace environment. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to import right here. Or better still, you can press Ctrl+I on your keyboard. This will open up import dialog box. Just like what you see right here, the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and locate where you have your EPS file. So I have my EPS file in my download folder, so I'm going to go ahead and click on my download folder. Then right here, I have to make sure I locate the EPS file. So here we go. I have my EPS file right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to select the EPS file. As you can see right here, this file here is EPS file. So once you select the EPS file, which is also known as encapsulated post, just like so, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on import right here. Then this is going to pop up right here, import EPS. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on OK. And the next thing you want to do right here is to drag from the top downward right here, and based on the size you want. Once you are satisfied with the size, then release your mouse, then you have your EPS file imported successful into your CorelDraw workspace. It's that simple. So you can go on and edit your EPS file. You can ungroup object, you can ungroup all as far as your EPS file is concerned. If you want to ungroup all, click on ungroup all. This will allow you to select the elements that make up the EPS file one after the other, just like so. So if I decide to select this black color, now you have the file ungroup right here. Now you can start to edit the elements that make up the EPS file. For instance, you can decide to select the white shape right here. We can change the color to another color, just like so. As you can see right here. So you can change, you can select the background of the logo. You can decide to change to whatever color of your choice as much as possible. You can decide to select the inner shape and decide to change to another color. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to import your EPS file into CorelDraw file and edit your EPS file in CorelDraw. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.